Right, vlog world, day 2. Look at the little critters. The little critters right there. Look at them. But they look like they ready to ambush you. They all running over here though. What's going on? And the cat even sneaking up on me.
We got berry bunnies in the cat.
But yeah, me and Alante about to head to the court. About to whoop his butt real quick. But yeah, doing it for the vlog today. Antonio come tomorrow, so we gonna go to South Beach on Friday. Runway on Friday, and we gonna head to Key West on Friday. So Friday's like gonna be an exciting day. What you got to say about the court, man?
I let my skills speak for my words.
Ah, he about to get his butt whooped, ankles broken. All right, vlog world, we just got to the court. Time to break some ankles, y'all feel me? Look at them. You recording Alante?
Yeah.
Vlog world, I just beat Alante butt. Now I'm tearing up my sister on the court. Show her real quick, Alante. Get that zoom on her real quick. Yeah. I'm the champ.
He got lucky, vlog world. I got that.
About to get some breakfast. Doing it for the vlog. 2468. Dog, why y'all trying to look at the prices, B? You tripping, B? I completely forgot to film what everybody had. I was too hungry. This is mine. I got plenty.
Still waiting for my pancake.
Still waiting for hers. Delonte trying to go vegetarian for the first time in his life.
I ain't going vegetarian.
Great. Alright, so we just left Denny's. The food was 7 out of 10. Alante, what you rate the food?
6.8 out of 10. I was hungry, but it wasn't bad. It was like basic Denny's, just Denny's. What you expect from Denny's?
What you rate the food?
You put on my seat.
You shot in? What you rate the food?
6.
So Denny's, it was straight.